Have you ever wondered how countries got their names? You might be surprised to find out that there are some truly fascinating stories behind the names of countries that we know today. From the ancient roots of some names to the influence of explorers and conquerors, the stories behind these names can give us a glimpse into the history and culture of these nations. In this video, we'll explore the origins of country names from around the world and uncover some amazing information that you may not have known before. So, get ready to learn some amazing facts and join us on this journey through the fascinating world of country names.
United States. The name America comes from the Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci. The term United States was adopted after the country declared independence from Great Britain in 1776.
Canada. The name comes from the Huron-Iroquois word Canada, which means village or settlement.
Mexico. The name comes from the Nahuatl word Mxico, which was the name of the Aztec capital city.
Brazil. The name comes from the Brazilwood tree, which was a valuable natural resource for early European explorers.
Australia. The name comes from the Latin word australis, which means southern. It was given to the continent by the Dutch explorer Abel Tasman.
India. The name comes from the Indus River, which flows through the northern part of the country.
China. The name comes from the Qin dynasty, which ruled the country from 221 BC to 206 BC.
Japan. The name comes from the Chinese characters, which mean the origin of the sun.
Russia. The name comes from the medieval state of Rus, which was centered in present-day Ukraine and Belarus.
Egypt. The name comes from the ancient Greek word Aegyptos, which was the name of the Nile River Delta region.
So, we hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating stories behind these names. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more amazing content in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.